The Catalyst Foundry pant offers the hunter a feature-rich option for the harshest late-season environments. Constructed with the same breathable softshell fabric as our best-selling Catalyst pant, we've added a heavy-duty chap exterior face fabric to the seat and knees for added protection. On the interior of these high-wear areas, we've built in a 2.5-layer waterproof laminate to keep moisture from seeping in while you're kneeling or sitting. Additionally, removable closed-cell foam knee pads buffer impacts during tight stalks. The internal fleece lining utilizes 37.5 active particle technology, which works to move moisture out of the pant, while retaining your infrared heat. A full-length two-way side zip lets you dump heat and utilize zip-off long johns. Closed crown zippers reduce noise and irritation, and a numeric sizing system makes it easy to order with confidence based on the sizing of your everyday pants. Whether you are chasing mountain goats in the Alpine or filling a late-season cow tag, the Catalyst Foundry offers feature-rich durability when temps drop and the snow flies.